Funniest moments of sports reporters getting hit. Before we continue, don't forget to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel. A cricket reporter was ready to hit the ball, however he got hit in the face with it and fell down.
Now that's about the speed that New Zealand opening bowler Shane Bond bowls at, so I want to see if he's for real, so come on mate, bring it on.
An Astros reporter got hit by a foul ball during a Red Sox game. Fortunately, the reporter did not get injured.
Julia unable to make the play. McConaughey not go over there. Oh, wow, she's okay. She's got it. That's coming crazy close. That is. Hey-oh.
During an NHL game, a silent reporter got hit by a puck right in the nose. A medic immediately treated him.
Stahl just tries to throw it up and it catches.
Got a good medical staff with me, and Mark Stahl just came over and apologized. So,
An NFL player accidentally hit a beautiful cheerleader.
This drive is all Tony Romo. 3 times this drive, he's gotten it done.
Melissa Stark got hit in the head with a football while reporting.
We spoke, and yes, you have mentioned it. Oh, okay, nothing like live television. I'm okay.
Reporter Pam Oliver got bashed in the face with the football hard. She was unaware of the ball coming toward her.
Well, here it is. Backup quarterback. Chandler Harnish throws, and Pam Oliver, wham. Let me tell you, that ball was...
A Russian football reporter had sprinklers blasted on him accidentally, but he continued to do his job despite getting wet.
He will stop at nothing to get the job done. He was reporting live from the sidelines of a soccer game when the stadium sprinklers started going off behind him. He powered through it. He didn't get soaked once. He got soaked.
A TV reporter got hit really hard with the football in the back of her head.
Was doing a pre-game interview on the sideline when she was struck by a long-range kick without warning. In slow-mo, it was never going to miss.
A baseball player tried to drench his teammate in Gatorade during his interview but accidentally did this.
It's been great for us.
An NFL player was chased and tackled off the field, which led him to crash into a sound guy.
With the block, and Thomas with the block, and he cuts the corner. And James here pushes him out of bounds and into our... Put the ball to Crowell, and you can still see the speed that Robert Griffin III has. He just...
A reporter during indoor football got hit in the head with the ball.
it's been a long time. Oh my goodness me!
Oh my word, Chris Mitchell, that will be a YouTube sensation.
In a Premier League game, one of the 3 sideline reporters got hit by a football in the back of the head.
And it's tackling something that is going to start to go out of the game.
Well, we hope not.
In a similar incident, a Zorb ball came towards her at full speed.
Cheers, Maddie. Just like the movie, we're getting started here with the rock. Hi. Oh, you alright? Yeah, I'm okay. Oh, God.
A female reporter got hit really hard on her back with a cricket ball during the New Zealand training. The player came to her to apologize.
And at Lords to look ahead at this first test. Yeah. It's okay?
Sorry, you okay?
No, I'm fine. Yeah, I'm really...
Could be worse, as far as we're concerned.
This baseball reporter was very committed to her job because she kept going with the reporting even after getting hit by a baseball.
Marco Estrada saw last night. The Brewers came up with a handful of great... Yeah, the Brewers came up with a handful...
An NFL reporter got faced by a football that came his way.
I had an interesting talk with offensive coordinator Tom Did you guys just see that football?
I saw it.
Anyway.
When the Vikings team was running out of the tunnel, an unexpected thing happened to the sound guy.
Grab mic guy. Timing is everything. Linval Joseph in the pregame intro with a trip to LensCraft.
Another Pam Oliver moment happened when she was reporting a band in Cincinnati and was continuously hit by the trumpets.
He told me so far nothing is really happening other than this band. Hey, now I can't find one. You guys are messing it up.
A sideline reporter got crashed into by two players tackling each other and fell to the ground.
Absolutely trucked from behind. She's ready to do the hit. The whistles are being blown.
An NBA reporter was hit in the head hard by a basketball coming towards her during a game. A sideline reporter got hit by a football coming toward her. It didn't hit her anywhere, but she got faced by it. Just after saying she isn't going to get into any trouble, this happened.
Johnny Michaels, mixologist, play some football up here.
Yeah, it sure is nice playing under a retractable glass.
Well, go ahead. I'm not going to get in trouble. It worked in practice. How did he get
This reporter got hit in the head accidentally during her live reporting on the sidelines.
São duas equipes muito agressivas. Opa!
Another female reporter got tackled by a football player as she was reporting during the play. The tackle looked really hard and she fell onto the ground.
This kid is physical, he's strong. I mean, arguably the top offensive lineman this morning in the one-on-ones. I mean, he's out there with a kid like Cameron Robinson and what?